Welcome to Sika Design's launch of our exterior collection with our new Nature Rattan color. My name is Tobias Björk. I work as contract sales manager, and I'm here to introduce you to our new aluminium collection. Sika Design has since 1942 been very passionate about raw nature rattan. This look here is perfect for indoor use. Now with this new aluminium collection, we have outdoor furniture all year long. Here I have the sofa lounge set Caroline. We have chair and sofa, the 3-seater. And here you can see the new Nature Aluminium. This looks identical with our rattan items. The cushions can be made now with quick dry foam, and also we have, of course, water repellent fabric. This collection goes extremely well with our teak tables, as we have shown here, with our new 120 x 120 teak table. Here we have our very new and exciting item, also a part of this wonderful collection. This is our Maggie sofa. There is 3 pieces which can be put together, and there's endless possibilities. Of course, there's also quick dry foam in the cushions, and you can choose between many different fabrics, including water repellent fabric, which is on here. For this part here, you can also place a glass plate, so you can have it as a table and combine it together with the other pieces. Over here, there is our brand new Carlo trolley, which we normally have in rattan, but now of course also here in this new aluminium. At Sika Design, we are very fond of our designs from the famous architects. In our assortment, we have Arne Jacobsen and Nana Ditzel items. Here we also have the Luna chair designed by Franco Albini. And we also have Tove Kind Larsen's tulip chair. Those are also new additions to this new aluminium collection. This sofa here is probably one of our most iconic items, the Belladonna sofa, also designed by Franco Albini. Again, this sofa now comes with quick dry foam and also water repellent fabric. But the amazing details here is of course also with this new aluminium version. This was the rattan ottoman I showed you in the beginning. Now, compared with this aluminium, you can see there's hardly no difference. So one of them is for indoor and the other one is for outdoor all year. So all possibilities in the world. So here you have it, our brand new exterior aluminium collection in our new rattan color. These items is also going to work extremely well with our existing items like the hanging egg and also the Paris chair by Arne Jacobsen. And we now also can present you the Madame chair, which is now also available in an outdoor version. I hope you enjoyed this launch of our exterior collection with our new nature color. Sika Design is ready to assist you if you have any questions. Please visit our website or contact us directly.